this video, I will be showing you how to put a product in pre-order when it runs out of stock in Shopify, or how to set up pre-order on Shopify. The first thing you will need to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Add Apps. After selecting Add Apps, I want you to select Shopify App Store. Once on Shopify App Store, what I want you to do next is you're going to simply type in pre-order. So we're going to type in pre-order right here. After you have typed in pre-order, the app that I want you to install is Preorder Notify Me. So this is the app that we'll be using. And you can see that it is highly rated and it also has numerous reviews. And with this app, you will be able to set up your first 10 pre-orders, as you can see right there. You can also set up unlimited coming soon, and you can also set up 50 restock emails. So you're going to install the app. After you have installed the app, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to set up products. You're going to tap on products, then tap on pre-orders. Then you're going to go over to the top right-hand corner, and you're going to tap on add products. From here, you're going to select the product that you would like to put on pre-order when it runs out of stock, or you can select the products, better yet. Then you're going to tap on next and add in the top right-hand corner. Then you will select the option pre-order when out of stock. But you have three options right here. You could set up pre-order regardless of levels, or you could set up pre-order only when Shopify inventory is available. But since this tutorial is about setting up pre-order only when out of stock, we're going to be leaving it as is right here. Now you can set up the product quantity that you would like the pre-order message to show up in. So let's say, for example, you would like it to show up when we have one of the product. You could type in one right there. And you're also going to ensure that enabled is toggled on. After you have done that, you could scroll down. Then from here, you can give your plan a name. So for example, you can call it pre-order 1 or so on. You can give it any name you want. So I'm just going to be calling it pre-order 2. After you're finished, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on save. So once you have tapped on save, as you can see right there, once this product is unavailable or out of stock, you will see the pre-order option pop up. So if I were to tap on view on your store, you can see at the moment that it is saying pre-order. But if I were to, for example, go back onto Shopify, then tap on products right here. Let's say I were to tap on products and I were to select that particular product. So this is the product right here that is currently on pre-order. Now, if I were to add inventory to it, you will realize that it now removes the pre-order option. So you can see right here, let me add some quantity to it. So I'm going to tap right here and I'm going to select available and I'm just going to be adding one. So let's say, for example, one right there, and I'll tap on save. After you have done that, we'll tap on save right there. And if we were to now view it, so if I were to scroll back up and tap on preview, you'll realize that the pre-order option is now gone and it now shows add to cart. But if we were to go back and I were to remove that one, so let's say, for example, I were to carry it back to 0. So let's say I were to type in 0 right there, then tap on save. After I've tapped on save, if I were to go back up and preview the changes, you'll realize that it now says pre-order and you can see it says out of stock. And if I were to refresh it, it will say pre-order after a while. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.